Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about my chemical peel that I got from Massage Envy. Depending on your skin type will determine how many layers and what peel they'll use in your skin. I got the Sensi peel. So what you're looking at now is just the directions to the post-procedure kit. They'll send this home with you so you won't be confused on what to do. Again, a chemical peel is just an advanced skincare treatment. They'll basically analyze your skin to see which peel works best for your skin type. I got the Sensi peel, and some people won't peel at all, and that just depends on your skin. I had a little bit of flaking, but some people might flake more than others. So depending on your skin, they will put a certain amount of layers, depending on your sensitivity. After you get the chemical peel, you will be sent home with the post-procedure kit, as you can see right here. And all the products are PCA products. Chemical peels are really good if you want to help brighten your skin, if you have fine lines, aging, acne, or if you have breakouts. Chemical peels will help, especially if you go back for different times. It might not work the first time. You might need to go back and get another chemical peel. Your esthetician will work with you and make you feel comfortable to get you on a skin regimen that will help you with your skin. Depending on which Massage Envy you go to, depending on the prices, but the member rate, it just gets you in a discounted price than as a non-member. And when I said it might not work the first time, I'm saying that you might not see results faster. So you just keep going to see results from the chemical peel. One chemical peel might not help with your skin. It just depends on your skin type. For me, I flaked a little bit around the areas where I had breakouts, but depending on your skin type is how much you will peel or not. You don't have to always peel. It's just a side effect from the chemical peel. Also, I want to say that the PCA products have worked great with my skin. Like, my skin was so hydrated after using the products. I love the facial wash, the hydrating serum, and the rebalance moisturizer. It worked really good with my skin. I still have some of the PCA facial wash left from the kit, and I'm still using it. It works really good. I recommend that you go and buy the facial wash and the hydrating serum. But this is my review for the chemical peel from Massage Envy. Make sure to go and book an appointment, sign up for the membership, to come in at a member rate. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and also make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews.